Hi, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to connect our Bluetooth device to our Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. Here we have our Bluetooth speaker. To connect, we have to go to Settings, Connections, and here we have Bluetooth options. First we have to turn on our device, then Bluetooth pairing. Tap this little box here and our phone is now searching for device. We have JBL Charge 4, it's our device here. Tap it once. Yes, please. And it's now connected. And that's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.